But this isn't the beginning for Nokia. They've actually in fact been around since 1865. Anyway, let's look at the expected specs for this upcoming tech, the Nokia E1. Inside the E1, it will have an Intel inside. Inside is an Intel. Yeah. A 64-bit Intel with VR430 graphics, also 2GB of RAM and a 2700 mAh battery with inbuilt 32GB storage and possibly a memory card slot combined with the SIM card tray, just in case you find yourself asking for,
I want some more. What? What? Ask for more?
And outside sources of Intel tell me that outside the E1 will be a 4.93-inch display which will be fully laminated, full HD IPS display, accompanied by a 20 megapixel rear shooter, as well as a front-facing 5 or 8 megapixel front shooter.
Ah! Shit! I've been shot. Could everyone stop getting shot?
And out of the box, this should be running Android 6.0. Now let's move on to the next section that I like to call taking a leak. Now I heard that in true Nokia fashion, you can create your own ringtone using the dial tones on the keypad, just like the old 3210. And I heard the Scottish acoustic company Wolfson Acoustic made the audio chip for this phone and spent $467 million on trying to find the Loch Ness Monster.
It's some creature with horns!
Actually, I got that mixed up. I think they were bought out for $467 million. And I heard that Nokia are trying so hard not to be like anyone else that they have designed a phone that doesn't get hotter than the sun when multitasking. So anyway, thanks for watching this What Gear review. And if you enjoyed this What Gear word on the street, check out our previous editions and subscribe now and you will be one of the finest subscribers known to man. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't be late.